Hello friends, day 98. Had a nice gentle climb out of Bridge of Balgie this morning on the road, a very quiet road, so that was all right. And after the dam, I climbed up into the nature reserve on a lovely easy track until I came to a pipe that feeds the power station, and then it was straight down the hill next to the pipe on a very old railway line that presumably was put there to help build the power station. Anyway, you'll see that in a minute. And I went into Killin and stocked up with a few food items and bought some new laces because my boot laces are disintegrating. I followed the Rob Roy way and I've ended up at a hotel tonight in Lochearnhead. So take a look at where I've been and see you on the trail.